What's up, friends? How's it going? Welcome to a new episode of this channel. Today we're featuring the new Duotts S26, an all-terrain bike that can handle any type of surface without a hitch, with two 750W motors, one in front and one in back, front and rear suspension, a range of over 100 kilometers, and much more we'll discuss in this episode. This is Tech Ground. Let's quickly unbox this beast so you can see all the components it comes with, what's in the box, and as always with these bikes, assembly is required and takes time, so we'll speed up the video and take out items for you to see everything inside. We see it's all well protected, insulated with cork to prevent scratches, and we'll unpack items one by one. First, we have this box, a plastic covered phone holder to attach to the bike. The saddle, as we can see, is very ergonomic, padded with springs underneath and an aluminum bar with different height settings, the rear rack with its light source, a small panel to connect it, and a 240-volt charging transformer. Here we have zip ties, reflectors, the handlebar grip, two pedals, each marked R and L to avoid confusion, and a set of wrenches and Allen keys for assembly and adjustment. All right, we've taken out almost everything, with just the bike battery left at the bottom. Now we have all the components here, everything that came in the box, including the rear wheel. Next, grab the instruction manual. This is important, and we'll go through it step by step to avoid mistakes and assemble everything correctly, preventing any issues when we're riding. Here's the battery with its lock, switch, and display showing charge level and power input. Let's insert it properly into its slot. It clicks into place. We've assembled our bike in just 45-50 minutes using only the tools provided. Scissors and pliers were needed for zip ties, but otherwise it's ready to ride straight out of the box. Let's take it for a spin and analyze its components, electrical system, and performance. We'll evaluate it as potential buyers of this type of device. Let's start with the most impressive feature of this bike. We'll discuss its technical specs, but the standout is its motors. It has a rear motor and a front motor, each 750W. That's no joke. We're talking about a 1500W power bike. Few bikes on the market now have this kind of power equipped. Next, let's talk about what we can do with this power and battery. It has a 960 Wh battery, 48V and 20F. This battery allows for over 100 kilometers range, 100 to 120 kilometers per manufacturer. Range varies with weight, riding style, terrain and weather conditions. It can handle any situation, potholes, gravel, asphalt or snow. It comes with a key lock to release and remove the battery at any time. To insert it, slide it into its rail and lock it in place. Once locked, the battery won't come loose or risk falling out. There's no click or anchor. A key pin releases a tab that blocks the rail. Let's discuss another crucial feature, its suspension. It has front and central suspension. The front can be locked and adjusted as desired. We can increase or decrease travel or lock it for road use, all customizable to our preference. The central suspension works similarly. While not directly adjustable, it provides excellent shock absorption. Another crucial aspect we'll discuss is its wheels, which are two incredible pieces of engineering. It's true that it has a relatively small rim for bicycles. We're talking about a 26-inch rim, but with 4-inch tires, they're designed with knobs to handle any type of terrain, giving us a total of 30 inches of wheel. This puts it in line with other bikes currently on the market. Braking is vital for riding this bike. It features dual disc brakes that engage instantly when you hit them, hydraulic disc brakes on both front and rear. I found the braking system to be highly efficient and effective. We've tested it on various trails, uphill, downhill, over bumps, and the bike handles like a beast. The saddle is super comfy and adjustable, wider than a normal road or downhill bike saddle, but very ergonomic with its small lower springs, padded and quite comfortable for riding. Don't forget its front and rear lighting. It has a powerful LED front light activated on the dashboard and a rear panel for position and braking that, when on, you'll see the brake works like a motorcycle's. There's a normal position light and brake light which turns on when you use either brake, warning cars and drivers. It also has front and rear fender systems which come in handy if you ride through mud or water, preventing splashes and keeping your clothes clean. A sturdy and solid kickstand for parking with a wide base and thick tube for stability, letting you park safely on any surface. Let's talk about the handlebars and dashboard now. The handlebars have two grips that end flat to support your palms. On the left, there's the light system, DS button and horn. Next is the power button to turn the screen on and off. Plus and minus buttons adjust the assistance level. This bike has 3 modes. Normal, like a regular bike, assisted pedaling with levels, and 5 levels of assistance from 1 to 5. At these levels, we'll choose how much power assist we need when pedaling. If we set it to level 1, we'll pedal, and it'll assist us in a more modest way. At level 5, even with a little pedaling, the bike will give us a strong boost. All this to reach the legal max of 25 kilometers per h, which is the bike's built-in limit. It's true it can go faster. Some of you may know how to remove that limit. Let's look at the LCD screen showing battery level and pedal assist levels, as well as the total kilometers on the original frame, the trip meter, which we can reset to track each ride's distance, the voltage, and how long the bike has been turned on. Remember, as we mentioned, it's an e-bike with an accelerator offering 3 modes: pedal, assisted, and fully electric. We can ride without pedaling. Once I accelerate, the bike pulls up to 25 kilometers per h, as I mentioned earlier. The handlebars have more features like the brake levers, 2 sturdy aluminum triggers with carbon fiber finish on the head where the brake piston grips. It also includes a USB charging system, which we have here right now. As you can see, we've connected a phone, in this case for carrying our mobile device, allowing us to charge our phone while riding, or as I've been using it, to track routes. This bike comes with the Duotts app, which you can download to connect directly with the bike. It shows location, distance, speed, saves routes and more, as you'll see in these screenshots we've taken. As we can see, all devices are installed on the handlebars. The screen's on, our phone's in the plastic holder it comes with its visor and electric charger, which we're plugging in now. It's charging. We can always keep our phone or any device connected to this USB for power while riding, navigating, or doing whatever we need. This LED screen is height adjustable and displays speed, trip distance, voltage, and current time, which is how long we've been riding with the bike on. In this case, it's been on for 14 minutes, and the total mileage, as we can see, is 12 kilometers. It's new, just broken in. We've only ridden it a bit to test it out. All right, let's hop on this beast. I've got my phone connected for navigation. USB's plugged in to charge it. Battery's low. Let's start the navigation to see our route. We'll hit OK, setting the assistance level here. I'll put it on 3. Pedal resistance is also set to 3. Let's go. You can see the route's already set up here. Let's hit some trails and see how it handles. It's incredible, really powerful. Responds amazingly well. We're making good time. Just accelerating, no pedaling. When you see the light, I'm not pedaling. Now for some personal thoughts on this ride. I've ridden bikes all my life, like many of you. I've ridden motorcycles too. This is a bit of both combined. It lacks a gas engine's power, but has the push and start to help climb hills, pedal easier, and reach higher speeds quicker. The ergonomics are notable. While relatively light, it still weighs almost 40 kilos. It weighs 39.8 kilos with all accessories, 38 kilos when empty. It's quite a heavy bicycle. When handling it, with its wheels and weight, you feel its stability. The bike doesn't wobble or get carried away in turns. I really enjoyed riding it. Flaws I could point out? Honestly, very few. Aesthetically, I'd skip this rack. The rack's included for baby seats, child seats, and carrying bags. You can pack suitcases or any gear for travel and enjoy your adventures worry-free with this bike, as it has an impressive range of autonomy. Now, this is what I'd remove. It's not a flaw, just an accessory I wouldn't include. It's also true that this saddle isn't very stylish. The aluminum frame finish offers considerable durability while slightly reducing the bike's weight. It looks nice with its stripes and a slogan that says, "Always on your way." That's crucial for adventure enthusiasts who love traveling by bike. Aesthetically, it's quite attractive. On the swing arm below, we can see the website and some small stripes. Its black and red looks sleek and aggressive with a powerful vibe and great road performance. We've tested it on various terrains: bumps, rocks, sand, hills and roads. The bike handles extremely well in all conditions. I definitely buy it. It's currently priced at €1,260 on their official website. That's a fairly reasonable price for this type of bike, considering what's available in the market. It's powerful, and I love it. I'd keep it if I could. The experience is pure adrenaline rush. It's incredibly fun. In normal pedaling mode, it's quite heavy. You'll need strong quads to really push it. Let us know your thoughts in the comments. What's good? What's bad? Don't forget to like this video, as always, and subscribe if you haven't. Share this video to spread the word. As usual, we'll link the marketplaces where you can buy this bike in the description. You can get it at the mentioned price on Duotts' official site. We'll list other marketplaces if available. Thanks for watching. See you in the next episode. Bye for now.